Good evening, friends. 58th installation ceremony and 1177th meeting of Innerville Club of Southwest Calcutta called to order. I request Club Secretary Mitra Banerjee for Innerville prayer.
The inner wheel prayer. Instill in us, O Lord, the true meaning of friendship. Never let us forget that we are all thy children, notwithstanding the differences in our culture and creeds. Endow us with a desire to serve our fellow men, remembering that we too often need help. Whenever or wherever the need for service arises, help us to be ready to serve, endeavoring to make our badge of inner wheel worthwhile, ensuring that we have not lived in vain. Thank you.
First of all, I welcome District Chairman Anita Ghosh, AC Member Dr. Ruchi Gupta and all district dignitaries. I also welcome my Innerville friends and club members. I am very grateful to have had the opportunity to serve as the president of this prestigious club. Working in this club along with our PDCs and club members, I got a feeling that we are members of a truly amazing organization. I am very much lucky to have mentors, some remarkable women who have already led the club to ever greater heights. This year, we have done many meaningful projects from Pathfinder, an organization for autistic children, to AIDS Day, and many more, which will be narrated by our club secretary. But as the whole world is under the clutches of pandemonium of COVID-19, some important projects remain undone, like repairment of our clinic, which is running for 25 years at Chetla. Innerville never stopped moving, so we continued our project with corona-affected people, chanting the mantra given by Gurudev, Nai Nai Hoy Hobby Habija. Therefore, undominated spirit will keep on working for the underprivileged of the society. How time flies. It seems just the other day I took the mantle of presidential task from many predecessors. I take the opportunity to thank Dr. Ruchi Gupta for her guidance and support as the chairman. I thank all other district officials also. Thank you, club members, for standing strong as a team. Above all, I thank Almighty God to give me the strength to fulfill the year successfully. PDC Sharmila Bose is the president of our club for the coming year 2020-21. I congratulate Sharmila and her team for a wonderful year ahead. I request now Club Secretary to give her annual report. I request PDC Madhulika Sen to introduce Sharmila Bose and also to install her as a president. Thank you all.
Today, past district chairman Sharmila is being installed as 58th president of our club. To introduce Sharmila, I have to go back to the year 1983 when both of our husbands were inducted as members of the Rotary Club of Calcutta Southwest on the same day. That day, I met a young, sweet and soft-spoken girl, Sharmila. Sharmila joined the Innerville Club of Southwest Calcutta in the year 1985-86. She became president in 92-93, and I realized that she is not only sweet and soft-spoken, but she is quite firm and dependable as well. After serving the district 3 to 9 in different capacities, she became district chairman in 2008 and 2009. She proved herself a very efficient and successful leader of our district. For last so many years, Sharmila has always taken keen interest in all our club activities. Today, we are extremely happy to have her as our president, and we are looking forward to a year of excellence. Sharmila and Siddhartha belong to a well-known family of Howrah. They are truly a Rotary family. Siddhartha, though he is very busy in their established family business, is a well-known Rotarian. He was district governor in the year 2001-2002. They have two lovely daughters, Koel and Doel, who are well established in life. Koel is past president of Innerville Club of Montgomery Metropolitan. Not only that, she is a past president of Rotary Club of Calcutta Southwest. Sharmila has two lively grandchildren, Krish and Goku. Her hobby is singing. She has got many CDs or Rabindra Sangeet in her account. She is frequently busy with her programs in various places. I welcome Sharmila and wish her all the best for the year ahead.
Thank you, my very own district chairman, PDC Madhulika Sen, for installing me as president of this great organization, Innerville Club of Southwest Calcutta. You were witness during my first installation also. Thank you once again for the lovely introduction. But I would also like to remind you that Koel was the president of Southwest Interact and Rotaract Club. Anyway, thank you very much. My dear friend and our district chairman Anita, AC member, and for all practical purposes, a sister, Ruchi, immediate past president Unju, district officials, fellow club presidents, members of my home club, and other Innerville sisters. Allow me to welcome you to the 50th installation meeting of the Innerville Club of Southwest Calcutta, being held in a unique manner in very special and challenging circumstances. Even before I could firmly put on the President's collar, I have been dealt an extremely painful blow. The late evening of 3rd July 2020, my baby sister Shargori selfishly decided to leave us all and go off to enjoy the love of my departed parents. My family and umpteen dear friends have made it possible for me to survive this trauma, and I express to them my sincere gratitude. The bubbling Shargori was a member of our club in the past. I would also like to thank my immediate predecessor, Onju, for the effective leadership she has provided to our club and the wonderful projects executed. I am confident that Onju could have achieved much more if the world had not shut down almost halfway into her tenure. IIW President Dr. Veena Vyas has asked us to lead the change. I presume that the prevailing uncertainties across the world prompted our world leader to throw us this challenge. We will all agree that our life in future will undergo drastic changes, and we, in Innerville, will have to lead from the front. We in Southwest, along with our senior members, have already started adapting to these changes, and I am confident that in future too, we will not be found lagging behind. Our association president, Mrs. Vasudha Chandrachud, has asked us to emphasize on health and hygiene, orphans and old people care, patriotism and the environment. Put together, she has set for us a vision of hope. She has also asked us to promote brand Innerville. We from Southwest will make every effort to achieve our association president's vision. As far as practicable under the prevailing circumstances. As a start, inspired by our district chairman, we partnered with district joint projects of handing over a vital life-saving machinery for the treatment of COVID patients to Calcutta Medical College on 1st July 2020, Doctor's Day. We have also got face masks with the Innerville logo made for distribution. We have many projects planned for this year. It all now depends upon Mr. COVID if we can implement our plans and help the society. It now gives me a great deal of pleasure to introduce the committee of wonderful ladies who will help me to lead the change. The beautiful and resourceful past district chairman Rupa Mukherjee as vice president. The enthusiastic Onju Banerjee as immediate past president and CCC. The friendly and reliable Madhavika Chandra as club secretary. Always ready to help, Gopa Roy as joint secretary. The perfectionist Shebunti Goswami as club treasurer. Carrying the torch into another generation, Shoumi Laha as ISO. The most reliable past district chairman Madhuleka Sen as editor. Now executive committee members. Past President Mamata Roy, past President Mala Sen, past President Krishna Sen, past President Kajul Banerjee, past President Mitra Banerjee and Shantosri Goho. You will notice that I have around me 2 past district chairmen, 4 very experienced past presidents, ably supported by other enthusiastic members. As president, what more can I want? I can now relax. Thank you. I now request SC member Dr. Ruchi Gupta to share her thoughts.
A very good afternoon, President PDC Shormila, outgoing President Onju Sridhi, my colleagues on the District Executive Committee, past District Chairman, members of Innerville Club of Southwest Calcutta, and all Innerville sisters, friends and guests. The installation day is indeed a very special day, as the wheel completes a full turn, and this year, though twin events tried to derail the wheel from its tracks, we in Innerville are extremely resilient and we really didn't let it happen. We have refocused and have been doing wonderful work in reaching relief work to people in need. Inner Wheel Club of Southwest Calcutta and my home club, Inner Wheel Club of South Calcutta, go back a long way. We were the first 2 clubs of the district. And I have worked very closely with Inner Wheel Club of Southwest Calcutta. Also, President Shormila is a friend from very many years ago, much before I knew Inner Wheel or even joined Inner Wheel. I would like to wish all of you a wonderful Inner Wheel year. This is the time when we can innovate and follow new ideas, new thoughts, and widen our horizons. That is what clubs are doing. We're doing wonderful work in the villages. And at this point, let me tell you that work has begun on the cyclone shelter in Jharkhali. I'm sure this year you're going to come up with some wonderful ideas of service. So I will tell you, enjoy Inner Wheel. It's all about the work being voluntary. There's no compulsion. You've got to love what you're doing. That is when it, really becomes service at its best. So I would remind you, in the words of Roy Bennett, you never change your life until you step out of your comfort zone. Change begins at the end of your comfort zone. So be that change, lead that change, because we know that together we can lead the change. Thank you.
Thank you, Ruchi. I now request our past president and now District Secretary Shampa Banerjee to introduce our district chairman.
Anita, the younger of 2 daughters, was born in a household where her parents believed that charity begins at home. From her childhood, she has witnessed her parents helping the needy and the unfortunate from very close. Anita did her schooling from Loreto, a reputed missionary school in Kolkata. Studied English as major in Lady Brabourne College. After the birth of her children, she also studied Montessori. Her husband, Dr. Siddhartha Ghosh, is a very magnanimous person who indulges in philanthropic work himself. He has sponsored the education of many children from poverty-stricken households. They have the satisfaction of having one of them as a headmaster in a primary school and another a teacher in Bombay. A sporty person, she has won many medals and accolades in various sports, in table tennis, badminton, basketball and races and relays, both in college and school. For 10 years, she had worked as an educational consultant and team manager with LB Publishers, a subsidiary company of Warner Brothers. She is now a director of Fortune Multispeciality Hospital. Anita was inducted in Inner Wheel in 2004 and the very next year became the secretary. In 2007, served as the president of our club, that of IWC Calcutta Old City, which had only 24 members. From the day one, her aim was to reach the half-century mark as quickly as possible. Today, her club boasts of 51 very dedicated members. As a club president in 2007-8, on World Peace Day, she organized a walk with 206 members who walked a 3-kilometer stretch which culminated a street corner meeting and an awareness seminar on Say No to Plastic, which was attended by the Honorable Mayor Vikas Ranjan Bhattacharya, actor Chiranjeev, Dipali Sinha, First Lady Mountaineer from Bengal, and many environmentalists. She initiated the drug rehabilitation project with the Genesis Foundation, which later became a joint project. She also started work with Loknath Vidhashram and Thalassemia, a continuous project for the last 12 years. She had also motivated her club to take care of late past district chairman Dhara Roy, who stayed in a senior citizen home in Amtola till very end. Anita has been the mistress of ceremony of charter presentation of her club for 10 glorious years, has also been the convener for District Assembly in 2008. She has been Mistress of Ceremony for various other programs in Innoville and Nandani Prayash. She entered the district in 2014. As the district ISO, she won the Best ISO award at Anindita in Delhi on the occasion of 60 years of Innoville in India. As a district ISO, she had organized 3 fundraising exhibitions for the district and was nicknamed the Exhibition Queen. The exhibitions helped to raise funds not only for the district activities but also for the 14th Triennial Conference held in Kolkata in 2015. As district editor, she had the honor of being an aide to the International Innoville President 2014-15, Charlotte DeVos. She also played the role of knowledgeable tour guide not only to Charlotte DeVos but also to some of the international delegates. Anita has attended several zonal meets, installation of Association Presidents of Innoville Clubs in India, South Asian Rally in Kerala and Malaysia, triennials in Benares, Hyderabad and Kolkata. She has also registered for the 18th IIW convention. Reciting poem is her favorite pastime and has also recited on stage on several occasions. Anita has been invited to judge cooking competitions and has also won prizes in many such competitions herself. Anita is an avid traveler, a naturalist, a keen photographer, globetrotter, an inherent good cook who loves to experiment and an efficient homemaker. She is adventurous to the core and nothing is impossible for her. Anita is a naturalist and to follow her passion, she is also a member of Center for Ecologic Movement. She loves watching birds. One of her favorite pastime is to photograph birds and recognize a bird by its call. In general, she is an animal lover, passionate about tigers, frequently visits various jungles in India with her husband and friends. She is also passionate about dogs and feeds the stray dogs in her locality with love and alacrity. Her husband Siddhartha is a practicing surgeon with his own hospital. He is the most indulgent and understanding husband, a wildlife photographer, and shares their love for traveling. Her elder son Arindam presently resides in North Carolina, USA, is an engineer from IIT Kharagpur with a degree in aerospace engineering and a double master's from Old Dominion and Virginia Tech. Presently, he is working in Ascent Bio-Nanotechnologies, Raleigh, USA. Younger son Arjun graduated from Presidency College with economics honors and pursued his master's from Indian Statistical Institute, Delhi. He now works in Nielsen as a senior manager. Her family would be incomplete without mentioning her four-legged son, a black Labrador, on whom she dotes on. At ICI, while asked to write about herself, comparing herself with an object from nature, Anita penned, "I am a bright little sunflower, oozing love in every bower. Swinging in the air, I spread happiness and good cheer. I am a bundle of energy, makes everyone happy and chirpy. Epitome of strength and longevity, honesty and integrity are my specialty. When things go wrong and it's not very sunny, I turn to my inner self to make things funny and balmy. I produce food, oil, medicine and dye, even when it's time to say goodbye."
District Chairman, the floor is yours.
Good afternoon, friends. A very good afternoon to outgoing President Onju Banerjee, incoming President PDC Shormila Bose, PDC Madhulekha Sen, PDC Rupa Mukherjee, my colleagues in the district, District Secretary Shampa Banerjee, who is a member of this club, all the presidents and secretaries and members of Southwest Calcutta, a very good afternoon. Congratulations to outgoing President Onju Banerjee. You have really served your club well. It is a great honor to be present at the installation of Shormila Di. I don't know why I call her Didi. She's hardly 1 or 2 years elder to me. But when I joined Innerwheel, she was already serving in the district. Probably that is the why I stuck to Didi. I know Shormila Di is very positive, and despite all adversities, she will lead the club very well. With her bubbling enthusiasm, her childlike faith in the innate goodness of others, she has conquered all her fear of the unknown, and she is already leading from the front. To me, she is a great pillar of strength, my friend, philosopher, and of course guide. I had an innate desire to be in her team, as that did not happen, but the opposite happened. We are together in my team and serving the community this year. Friend, IIW President has given us a wonderful theme, that is, lead the change. Times are changing, way of working and doing things have already changed. Teachers are taking class online, executives are working from home, the citizens of the world are changing their traditional way of working. And this year, we have to change our own attitude, to be open to learning, see things in a new perspective, and develop new skills. And of course, serve the needy through unique ways. We have to put up our thinking caps and think out of the box. But our work has not stopped, and we will not stop as people need more help than other years. I'm confident that PDC Shormila Bose, with her zeal for learning, will indeed lead this change. Friends, as per tradition, I will complete my speech with a short story. This is a true story about 15 soldiers who were on their way to their post in Kashmir Valley. They were led by their major, and it was a harsh winter with intermittent snowfall and inclement weather, but they had to walk to their post in that remote border. After trekking for some time, they were very tired, they were exhausted, and they were thirsting for some steaming cup of tea or coffee. But alas, it was all wishful thinking. So they stopped for a while, again they trekked on. After some time, they could spot something, some structure far away in the snow, and then when they quickly marched to it, they found a dilapidated tea shop. But alas, the tea shop was locked. So they didn't know what to do. They sought permission from the major to break open the tea shop, but the major would not allow. The major thought it wouldn't be nice to, they were the protectors and they themselves would break something, so the major did not allow. But the soldiers went on pleading, and then the major thought they have yet to trek for a long while, so he gave his permission. The soldiers broke open the door, they went inside, they saw everything was there, even milk, water, sugar, everything that they needed, and they made their cup of tea, they had it, they were at last feeling rejuvenated, and they were ready to go back. Now the major took out some money, around about 5,000 rupees, and he put the rupees under the sugar pot where he knew the shopkeeper would find it. And they shut the door and they trekked on to their post in the remote border village. There they spent 3 months fighting insurgency, and fortunately all of them were alive. After 3 months, again they had to come back to their respective lives. They would get some leave, so they again trekked back to the main city, and they had to take the same route. This time again, when they trekked back, they found the tea shop again, and wow, the shop was open, and they found the shopkeeper, the tea seller, was standing outside. So they stopped by, and they were all very happy. Now they don't have to have tea like robbers or thieves. They went and asked him, and they would pay for their tea, and they were all very happy. The shopkeeper was very happy to see them. At last he's got some customer. So they exchanged niceties. They spoke about, asked the tea seller about his family, And the major asked him, like, what sort of a customers did he get in such a remote place? The tea seller said, Saab, you won't believe. Even if I don't have customers, I get money from I don't know where. And then the soldier said, what rubbish are you talking? Is it some magician that puts money here? He said, no, Saab, there is God. And the soldier said, if there is God, then why are you in such abject poverty? The tea seller said, Saab, you must believe me. 3 months ago, the police, they picked up my son for some information about the military. Well, my son is not part of the insurgency and he couldn't give them any information. So the police beat him up very badly and his bones were broken, he was bruised, he was breathing in pain, and I did not have any money. I couldn't take him to the hospital or buy any medicine because I just had 20 rupees in my pocket. So leaving him at home, I came back to the tea shop and I was very despondent that day, very morose, and I knew in this winter nobody would come, no one would trek this snow and come to my shop. But when I opened, I found these pink notes under my sugar pot, and believe me, sir, there was 5,000 rupees, a little more than enough what I needed. And I went back and I treated my son. Tell me, Sahab, isn't there God? Friends, this faith in God is what we should have now. Because walking on the path of compassion, one can be a messenger of God to anyone. The Major had shown compassion. He was the God for this poor tea shop owner, which saved his son's life. We have to have a lot of compassion and we should work not out of compulsion. If we help anyone in any way, we should go ahead and do whatever we can do for that person and let everyone believe that God is great. Yes, we are all very despondent, depressed about this pandemic, but I think even you may think there is a lesson to learn, don't you? Thank you.
Thank you, District Chairman Anita. Now, I will request our club editor, PDC Madhuleka Sen, to publish our e-bulletin Chirantuli.
Today, on this happy occasion, we are going to release our bulletin Chirantoli. I will request Shormila to release our e-bulletin.
Thank you, Madhuleka Di. Now, I request Club Secretary Malavika to conduct club business.
Hello and welcome everyone. Our first general meeting of year 2021 will be on 29th of July at 4 p.m. Please, I request everyone to join us in our Zoom meet. In this month, we have 2 birthdays. On 4th of July, it's Shomi, and on 23rd of July, it's Onjusri. Happy birthday to both of you and many happy returns.
Thank you, Malavika. I now request Vice President, past District Chairman Rupa Mukherjee to offer the formal vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon to all of you. Firstly, let me thank our beloved District Chairman, Mrs. Anita Ghosh, for giving motivating speech on Lead the Change. I thank our AC member, Dr. Ruchi Gupta, for successfully running a wonderful inner wheel and year and inspiring us. I thank our own past District Chairman Shormila Bose for taking up this year's presidentship amidst such turmoil. We all have full faith in her capabilities. What can I say about our immediate past President, Mrs. Onjusri Banerjee? Throughout the year, she conducted wonderful projects, helped the less privileged people and did her utmost to make our own club flag fly high. Thank you, Unjudi. Past President Mrs. Mitra Banerjee as Secretary of our club for the year 2019 to 2020 stood like a shield. I congratulate Mrs. Malobika Chondo for taking up the mantle from Mitra Banerjee, and we all know she will do more than what is asked of her. I thank each and every member of our club for giving their very best. I thank the outgoing EC team and I welcome incoming one. Thank you.
Kindly rise for the national anthem. The meeting is adjourned.